Hi, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's really nice and always nice to have you guys here. So in today's experiment, we're going to be doing a very short experiment about creating an infinity tunnel. Okay, so you remember in the last video I showed you guys that when two mirrors are at zero angle to each other, that means that they are parallel to each other, that the number of images that they will create is going to be infinity. Okay, so there are a lot of applications of that, that we see every day. Have you guys wondered how some of this design that I'm showing right now on the screen is being made, right? So like you see that the design, you will see things go in infinity, right? And so many cool design, and it kind of you can't comprehend it, right? So what they actually use to design those things, the concept behind that is actually mirrors that are at angles zero to each other, creating infinity image. Okay, so infinite image. So in today's experiment, we are going to try to also do something like that. We're going to create an infinity tunnel using the concept of the angle parallel mirrors. Okay, so I have two mirrors here that I will use to do the experiment. Then I have something really nice and cool here, so you can see this is just like wood. Then I have LED in here. Okay, that will be the source of our light, so that we can create an infinity tunnel, right? Not real tunnel, but just fake one, but your eyes would think that is infinity tunnel. Okay, so we have LED all around here. Then we have like a switch that we can use to switch on the light and switch it off. Let me see if I can turn it on. You see right there, so the LED is there. Okay, so the idea is that we're going to place these two mirrors at the front and at the back. Then we're going to see what effect it's going to have on our design, and that is the same exact thing that they use in all those ads, like all those fancy places that you go to and you see, that you are seeing yourself or like till infinity. Okay, so let's try to do that. Okay, so the first thing to do is to attach this first mirror. Okay, we're gonna put that at the back. Then I have some stuff in here to kind of tighten it so that we don't have a loose system. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do that. Then I'm gonna put it right here too. Okay, to kind of make it firm. So right there. Okay, so let's put the one at the front. This one at the front. Okay, so let's put this one right here. I'm gonna tighten it again. So we're gonna see how cool it's gonna be. Then we're gonna put this one right here. Okay, so now everything is cool. So now we have two mirrors at angle zero to each other. So the images that we create is gonna be infinite. So let's turn on our LED. Okay, cool. Can you guys see it? It looks like the LED goes to infinity. Hopefully you guys can see. Can you see it? Wow. So you see, the concept is really simple. See how it looks like it's a tunnel right there. When I switch off the light, you guys will see better. You know what? I'll switch off the light so that you guys can see, because I can see it right there. It's really cool. So hopefully you guys can also see it the way I'm seeing it. Okay, well, there you have it. It's a very short experiment. It's just to let you guys know that when you go to stores and you go to like you see some ads, like you go to malls and you see cool stuff like that, like you can kind of think in your head and just say, oh, I know the physics of this. It's just because the angle between the two mirrors is 0. That's why it looks like this. Okay, so please, if you are new here, subscribe for more cool experiments. See you guys.